The Lamborghini Revuelto is a supercar that already commands attention with its futuristic design and monstrous performance. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering, capturing the essence of Italian excellence. But as is the case with nearly every high-performance vehicle, when you think the design can't get any more dramatic, aftermarket tuners come into play. One such company pushing the limits of the Revuelto's design is 1016 Industries, a renowned US-based automotive tuning company that's taking the Lamborghini to new, extravagant heights. 1016 Industries is well known for its wide range of body kits designed for various sports cars and supercars, and it has now turned its attention to the Lamborghini Revuelto. The tuner has unveiled two incredible body kit options for the Revuelto, the Carbon Aero Program and the Vision Widebody. While both options make the car even more visually striking, the Vision Widebody kit is truly the showstopper, but it comes with a hefty price tag that might make even Lamborghini owners second guess. Starting with the more standard Carbon Aero Program, this kit includes some impressive upgrades that give the Revuelto an even more aggressive appearance. The carbon fiber parts here include a new front splitter, a custom front bumper, and vented front fenders. To enhance its aerodynamics, the kit includes an active rear spoiler, a roof scoop, and a new rear wing and diffuser. Each of these parts can be ordered in various finishes: standard carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber, or fiber-reinforced polymer, giving customers plenty of flexibility when it comes to the aesthetics of their car. If you want to take your Lamborghini's visual impact up a notch without going overboard, this kit is an excellent option. However, if you're looking for something truly mind-blowing, the Vision Widebody package is where the magic happens. This kit takes everything the Carbon Aero Program offers and amplifies it to an extreme degree. The front fascia is thoroughly reworked, giving the car a bold, race-inspired look. One of the most striking features of the Vision Widebody is the flared front and rear wheel arches, which add an aggressive stance and an increased track width. There are also new carbon fiber rocker panels that extend the vehicle's aerodynamic profile and a carbon shark fin that connects the roof scoop to the new fixed rear wing, bringing a race car-inspired design to the street. What's remarkable about these modifications is that none of them are permanent or require any bodywork alterations to the standard Lamborghini Revuelto. According to 1016 Industries, all of the parts are fully reversible, which means that Revuelto owners can return their car to its original look if desired. This is a major selling point for those who want to modify their cars without losing the option to return to stock. When it comes to pricing, the Vision Widebody package is certainly not cheap. The standard kit costs $29,995 in carbon fiber, while the forged carbon fiber version is priced at $32,995. For the ultimate customization, if you opt for all the possible upgrades, you could be looking at a staggering $127,230 for all the additions. To put that in perspective, the cost of the full Vision Widebody package is more than the price of a BMW M4, one of the best performance sedans on the market today. Now, you might be wondering if the upgrades are truly worth the price tag. With the Lamborghini Revuelto being such an exceptional car straight off the showroom floor, is it necessary to spend so much on aftermarket parts? For many, the answer is yes. These body kits aren't just for looks, they also offer functional aerodynamic benefits, and for some, the bragging rights of owning a truly one-of-a-kind Lamborghini might be worth the investment. Whether or not the kit is worth it depends on the buyer's level of passion for customization and performance, but one thing is for sure, 1016 Industries is offering something truly unique for the discerning Lamborghini owner.